Hi, have you ever linked to a cell in an Excel table from another sheet and noticed that sometimes it gives you the table name, but other times it gives you the sheet name? You are linking to the exact same cell but getting two totally different formulas. Let's solve this Excel mystery. It all comes down to a hidden rule in Excel. When Excel uses a structured table reference, it provides the table name, then inserts the @ symbol, then the name of the column, but not the row number. In Excel, the @ symbol implicitly means look at this exact same row number in the table. So if you happen to be typing your formula on row 5 of your sheet, and click a table cell which also sits on row 5 of the other sheet, Excel says, perfect, they're aligned, the user is in row 5 here, so wants to use the information from row 5 in the table. It references the table name and says which column to look at, but then implicitly references the row. So here, as I am on row 5 on this tab, and referencing row 5 on the other, the table reference appears. But if I'm on a different row number, for example here in row 2, I would like to link to the total in row 5 on the other tab. So when I do equals and click on the total, even although I am linking to the exact same cell, as the rows don't match, Excel falls back to the standard sheet reference. As a tip, if you're looking at the spreadsheet with these table references or sheet reference formulas, an easy way to find out where they are linked to is just to select the formula cell, then press Ctrl plus the open square bracket, and Excel will instantly move your cursor directly to the exact sheet and cell that the formula is pulling from. Also, if you would like Excel to always use normal sheet references, you can turn table names off entirely in your Excel options, in the Formula tab, untick Use Table Names in Formulas. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.